Hey there! Have you ever been really excited to chat with ChatGPT, only to have that login button totally ignore you? Like, you carefully type everything in, hit the button, and absolutely nothing happens, or it throws some cryptic error which you are unable to decipher. Super annoying, right? Don't worry, I've been there too. Let's fix this and get you back to chatting with your AI pal. Check the login credentials. First, the obvious stuff. Did you double-check your password and username? Sometimes we just get in a hurry and mistype things. It happens to everyone. Make sure those are totally correct. Perhaps ChatGPT is down right now. Okay, if that didn't work, it's possible ChatGPT is doing some quick updates, like taking a short break. Just search, "Is ChatGPT down?" and you should find out in a second. But if ChatGPT is not down, what then? Well, if you are still stuck, your browser might be a little messy. Clearing the cache and cookies is like giving it a quick tidy up, and that often helps things run smoother. No, nada, nothing helped. Alright, if none of that worked, don't stress. ChatGPT has a great help section with all sorts of tips and answers. Think of it like your super smart friend who always knows how to fix these things. And hey, if you're still having trouble, drop a comment below. We can figure this out together. But by the way, if this helped, hit that subscribe button would be awesome. I'm always putting out new tech videos to make your life a little easier. See you in the next one.